This instructional video explains how to correct start errors for the Scanmate version 4 software. A PDF transcript of this video can be downloaded via the link in the comments section. If the Scanmate software will not start or shows the splash screen but immediately closes, this may be related to a file permissions issue. To troubleshoot this issue, you will need to be logged in as either a local or domain administrator. Hold the Win keyboard key and press the R keyboard key. The Run window will open. Type C:\programdata\CLI and click OK. The CLI folder will open. Right-click on the debug.txt file. A context menu will appear. Select Properties. The Properties window will open. Select the Security tab, then select Users and click the Edit button. Mark the checkbox for Full Control Allow. Select Apply and then select OK. The software should now begin normally. If problems persist, refer to the other troubleshooting videos in this series.